Today's lesson is on adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe a noun, which is a person, a place, or a thing. Right here we have a noun. This is a picture of a baby with a little duck next to him. Those are both nouns. So let's try to think of some words that describe the baby. We could say that the baby is cute. That describes the way he looks. He's small. We could say he's wet. And he's a little bit chubby. If we wanted to describe the duck, we could also say the duck is small, or we could say that it's yellow. Yellow is another adjective. Let's look at another picture of a noun that we can describe. Here we have a beach scene. If we were going to describe the beach, we could say that it's sunny. So we see a sun in the background. The trees are kind of blowing, so we could say that it's breezy. If we were talking about the water, we could say that it's wet. And maybe even salty. Let's look at another picture. Here we have a cake. If we were going to describe the cake, we could say that it's sweet. That's how it tastes. The color is brown. It's also got a little bit of white on it. If we were to put it in our mouth, we might say that it's chewy. And it looks like it would be very tasty. These are all adjectives that describe the cake. Let's try to see if we can pull out the adjectives in the noun that it describes in sentences. Here we have the sentence, the brown dog was playing outside. When we look at the noun dog, which is right here, we need to find the adjective that describes the dog, which would be brown. So our adjective is brown, which describes the dog. Let's look at another sentence. Here we have a boy was blowing a loud horn. Here I see the adjective loud. That's what something sounds like, describing the noun horn. So our adjective was loud, and our noun that it describes is horn. Let's look at another sentence. She ate the sour candy. Here I see the adjective is sour, and it describes the candy. The adjective is sour, and the noun that it describes is candy. Our sentence here says, the fluffy dog sat in my lap. The fluffy would be the adjective that describes the dog. So fluffy is our adjective, what the dog feels like. And our noun is dog. Let's look at one more sentence. 4 dolphins were swimming in the ocean. Now, dolphins is the noun, and numbers are actually adjectives too because it describes how many there are. So 4 would be the adjective that describes the dolphins. And that is the end of our lesson today on adjectives.